Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Coldest Water Bottle Tumbler. So this water bottle, I was kind of hesitant with it at first, thinking like, how cold can water actually stay? But this one actually does a really good job at keeping your liquids cold. So there's multiple different colors. It fits in cup holders due to the geometric design of the thermos bottle. There's a lot of different types of lids, so I prefer the straw lid. We have multiple different colors of it, and with it though, it's very easy to handle. You can attach a carabiner to here and attach it to your backpack. I love how it fits into car cup holders as well, unlike other bottles. But I'd say the biggest thing with this bottle though is that it definitely does keep liquids cold. Okay, so it definitely does keep liquids cold. I'm very surprised. Like sometimes I can go like a day without re-icing this and the water is still cold. So it's easy to clean as well. It's still got a big spout inside, so you could actually stuff like a brush in there if you'd like to go ahead and clean it. But we've had no problems with this whatsoever. Multiple different lid covers, and yeah, I'm very surprised that this actually does stay cold like it says it does.